Hey there, it's Ralph Velasco, and I'm coming to you from Bucharest, Romania, where I'm getting ready to lead our rustic and rural Romania trip.
Hi, this is Ralph Velasco, and I'm here in northern Romania on the Ukrainian border. I've got 3 ostrich eggs in front of me. I'm going to have a 3-egg omelet this morning. No, just kidding. These are actually empty. They've been blown out. But this is a real, genuine ostrich egg. Weighs about 2 pounds and is the equivalent of 24 eggs, 2 dozen eggs right here. So our local chefs here at the hotel that we're staying at, they're going to make it into several different variations of ostrich egg omelet. Have you ever had an ostrich egg?
This is the result. Just 1/3 of that ostrich egg fills this plate. Ralph Velasco, and I'm in Bucharest, Romania. It's a very safe city, but I'm sitting on a table that's off on the side here, and there's a lot of people walking by, and you just never know. So what I do is I'll take my camera and I'll just do that with it. This way I don't have to have it around my neck or around my legs, and no one's just gonna walk by, grab it and run. So that's just a quick little travel tip.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to check out the other ones here on the channel, and especially in my best travel tips playlist. Next, share it with others and give it a big thumbs up. Finally, be sure to check out my latest physical books on Amazon. They make great gifts. And head on over to the continentaldrifter.co website for more travel and photography tips and to get your free download. And remember, drifters, life's too short not to travel.